Do you love cheese? Does your family love cheese? Do your kids love cheese? But the only thing you know about cheese is that cheese is fattening, cheese is unhealthy, cheese is junk. We've grown up with so many myths about cheese, haven't we? Well, the truth is that cheese is actually quite healthy, but only if you have the right kind of cheese. So what is this right kind of cheese that you can have without feeling guilty and that is good for you? Hi, my name is Dhwani Desai and I'm the founder of Casa del Cheese. I have been a passionate cheesemaker and I've been making cheese since 2011. We were amongst the first to make natural artisan cheeses here in India. But today I'm not here to talk to you about my cheese or sell my cheese to you. I'm here purely to educate you about good cheese from bad. Come join me in this free 90-minute webinar where I will guide you through the real concept of cheese and clear all your myths around the world of cheese. I will also be launching my cheese making workshop in this cheesy session and announce exciting offers. So do click on the link below and sign up for this cheesy webinar.